Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to import bookmarks into OperaGX in 2025, whether you are switching from another browser or uploading an HTML file. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your OperaGX web browser. Over here, you can either press Ctrl plus Shift plus B in order to launch your bookmark manager. It should look something like this. Now, if you face any kind of problem in getting into your bookmark manager section, you can also open a new tab and search for Opera colon backslashes configure and bookmarks. This will also redirect you here on this bookmarks page. You can also click on this settings icon here in the left hand section. Then you can click on the bookmarks option here in the top in order to access bookmark manager. Over here on this page, simply click on this toggle button in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to show all of the bookmarks that are available. Over here, you will see the import bookmark button. So simply click on this import bookmark button. This will open a pop-up where you can basically choose how you want to import the bookmarks. From the drop down menu, you can just simply select the previous web browser like Chrome web browser or Firefox or Edge web browser. If you have exported your bookmarks to an HTML website, you can also select the bookmarks HTML file and locate it on your PC. Once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, simply click on the import option just right next to it, and they will appear in a folder like imported from Chrome or imported bookmark depending on the source. Now you can go back to your bookmark section, and now you can move the imported bookmarks into your preferred folder or into the bookmark section that you see over here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.